The Eyedropper tool, by default Shift-E on your keyboard, is used to transfer a multitude of different attributes from one object to another. The first two modes are pickup and put down attributes. Normally, you wouldn't click on these manually, as pressing and holding the Option or Control key will quickly swap this tool to the opposite mode. The normal procedure for transferring the attributes from the object on the left to the object on the right would be as follows. Activate the Eyedropper tool. By default, it will be in pickup mode. Hover the end of the dropper over the object you want to take the attributes from. It will highlight in red if this is possible. Click the object, then press and hold the Control or Option key. You'll see the mode has been temporarily switched to put down mode. Then, while still holding down the Option or Control key, click on the object you wish to transfer the attributes to. You'll see that the first object's attributes have been applied to the second object. The objects do not have to be the same type, but only attributes that they can share can be transferred successfully. For example, you can attempt to transfer a circle's fill color attribute to a line, but you will not see any change because a line object does not have a fill attribute. The third button in the toolbar, Preferences, is where you choose exactly what attributes you want to copy. By default, nearly all attributes will be enabled. The attributes listed here are fairly self-explanatory. However, one in particular, at the bottom left, needs clarification. Plugin parameters refers to the settings of plugin objects. For instance, if I have two doors configured differently, and I transfer the attributes of one to the other with plugin parameters disabled, the line weights, fills, and various appearance settings will transfer over, but the door will still fundamentally remain the same as it was. If I enable plugin parameters, however, all of the settings from within the door itself will be transferred over, making the door I transferred the attributes to identical to the door I copied the attributes from. The final item in the toolbar is the Settings dropdown. This allows me to quickly save settings of the Preferences menu as quickly accessible sets. For instance, I can create a set that will only copy line color, a set that will only copy fill color, and a setting that will only copy plugin parameters, but not line and fill colors. To do this, I would set the attributes in the way I'd like, then click Save near the top right. A dialog will pop up asking you to name this saved set. It's normally wise to save the set exactly as it is, so I'll name this one Fill and Pen Only. If I want to change or remove any of these saved sets, I can do so by clicking Manage. This tool can be used on nearly every kind of object in Vectorworks. It's immensely useful for making quick updates to a file or adapting changes in attributes to a wide array of objects rapidly.